Hey, what's wrong?
Listen, I don't have time for this.
No, please.
Ugh. Today, oink oink. Today there are new students. Oink oink. I'm sorry I was late.
That's her.
Oink oink. Take a seat, please. Oink oink. Okay. Why do I have to be next to only boys in the classroom? Later. Let go of me. When do you think Rose is coming?
Next up here. You're an alpha?
Yeah. Ooh. Sorry I was late. New kid is annoying. It's okay. Later again. Rose.
Shadow. Luffy, Naruto, and Goku.
Nature.
Fire, Shadow.
Sky. Weird dream.
So, did you hear Connor and the twins got expelled?
No, they're on vacation. What? They got replaced.
Yeah, and now they're no newbies.
Oink oink. Today we have some. Yeah, new students. Listen, what happened to Connor? Sit down. Now I have to go to the bathroom. Oink oink.
Okay, miss.
Later.
No. Listen, I know that you will find someone. This is going to be on YouTube and Facebook.
I'll ship it. Dot. I'm sorry. Sorry?
No.
Do it.
At lunch.
What? Smoking is bad for you.
Okay, listen. You always do this, and who wins me? So, do you want to fight?
Listen, it's your first day here, and I think you're thinking of someone else. No.
That's what I thought.